I hope you all are doing well. My name is Saili and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an exciting one because Plum is celebrating their 6th anniversary and they are having a huge sale on their website plumgoodness.com. You can buy and get up to 40% off on your favorite skincare range, and you can also get surprise goodies on every purchase you make. So I have got a couple of things from them. Now let's see what I have got. So before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button. And now just let's get started. So this is the box that I have received, and I'm going to show you guys every product one by one. So first I have got this Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter face mask. This face mask is for dry and combination skin, and I'll show you how it looks from inside. This is how it looks from inside. It's a white color face mask. I have a dry skin, so this mask will be good for me. Next I have got is this Plumps Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. This is the outer packaging. So guys, if you shop for ₹1299 or above, you can actually get this kajal for free, and it also comes with a sharpener which makes it convenient to sharpen your Kohl pencil. And this kajal is smudge proof, waterproof, it's 100% vegan, and it's also preservative free, and it's really highly pigmented product. I'll just show you the swatch, and this is the swatch. Next that I have got is their green tea travel kit. So guys, if you shop for ₹1499 and above, you can get this kit for free, and it has a face wash, a toner, a moisturizer, a night moisturizer, and a face mask. So this is the product which is really good for oily or acne prone skin because it contains a green tea, and I'm going to show you every swatch and texture of the product in here. So let's start with the face wash first. So this is their green tea pore cleansing face wash, and this is how the face wash looks. It is transparent, but it also has a small granules of natural scrub. Next is this alcohol-free toner. This is how the bottle looks. This is the 50 ml of bottle you get, and it has a watery consistency as every toner should be. And all the products from Plum are paraben free and they are cruelty free, so you don't have to worry about those things. And the next I have in the kit is their green tea mattifying moisturizer. I have already used this, and I must say it is a good moisturizer. If you have especially oily skin, it's a mattifying moisturizer guys, so your skin will not look oily, and it really gives a mattifying finish. So I'm just going to show you the swatch. So this is the product, and it's kind of watery, but it's really lightweight and it's really mattifying. This is it. You don't get any glossy or any shine, it just mattifies. Next up is their green tea renewed clarity night gel. I have used this gel, and this is how it looks. So it has a light green tint to it, and it is not runny as a moisturizer, but it has a perfect gel-like consistency, and it also gets absorbed in your skin very quickly. So the last product from the kit is their clear face mask, and this is how it looks. This is the consistency, and this is the texture. So you have to keep this for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can just wash with normal water. And there you have the complete 5-step regime for your oily and acne prone skin, guys. And that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Do let me know in the comment section below which product you like and what you're gonna buy from Plum Goodness. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.